Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive, you should just go to Settings. Here in this page we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Google Drive. After that we'll enter to Force Stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to Storage. After that we click Clear Cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.